Europe just pulled a big financial lever, and Moscow is firing back. Here's the situation in plain English. The European Union has agreed to indefinitely immobilize roughly $210 billion of Russia's central bank assets held in Europe. They used an emergency clause, Article 122. That means no more automatic 6-month renewals of the freeze. The freeze now stays until the EU decides the economic risk from Russia has objectively ended and until reparations are paid to Ukraine without harming the EU's economy. Why now? Brussels is negotiating a reparations loan to Ukraine, about $140 billion. The plan: the loan would be secured against those frozen Russian assets. Ukraine would get the money up front, and Moscow's eventual compensation would backstop the payback. Moscow's response landed fast. Russia's central bank sued Euroclear in a Moscow commercial court, accusing it of unlawfully blocking access to funds and securities. The bank says any direct or indirect use of its assets is illegal and violates sovereign immunity, and it vows to challenge the EU move in Russian courts, in foreign jurisdictions, and in international tribunals. The rhetoric escalated too. Dmitry Medvedev warned using frozen assets could be seen as an act justifying war. Russia's ambassador in Germany called it theft with far-reaching consequences, predicting endless lawsuits and damage to the EU's business reputation. What changes on the ground? The EU's shift removes a major procedural hurdle, no more unanimous rollovers every 6 months, and signals a long game. Assets stay locked until Russia's behavior no longer poses substantial risks, and reparations are addressed. What I'm watching next: the EU summit hammering out the loan mechanics, the legal battles, Moscow versus Euroclear, potential cases in European courts, any counters from Russia targeting European assets or financial infrastructure. Bottom line, Europe just made the freeze harder to unwind, Russia just made the fight harder to ignore. The courtroom is the next front, the bond market is the next front.